Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Darla Rodriguez and thanks for joining me. I have been a little MIA because my husband and I started a little passion project. Not little, it's kind of a big passion project actually. It's called The Search for the Perfect Cup. He's going to link it above. And if you at all drink, love, hang, interested in coffee, then you need to check it out because we are going in. We're not only tasting fabulous coffee, but we're telling stories behind the coffee houses, which honestly, in the last 6 weeks, we have got to meet just amazing people. So that is why we've been kind of not so consistent on this channel. We are going to get back to that, but you know how it goes. When you start something, it's like time consuming. And so I just haven't had the time to research like I should and be prepared to do an episode. So all of that to say, I'm back, I'm here, I'm so happy to be here, and I'm happy to talk to you about the Revlon One Step Titanium Edition. So stick with me and let's get into it. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed, that would be fabulous. Hit that little subscribe button. There's a little bell. You can always click that to get notified when we do launch a video. So the One Step blow dryer is not new, but the Titanium Max is on the newer side. And what I wanted to talk about is the similarities and the differences, okay? Unfortunately, I don't have the original One Step, and I'm going to tell you why. So I had a Dyson. I don't know if you've watched any of my episodes, you've probably seen or heard me talk about my Dyson blow dryer, which I absolutely love. Unfortunately, it died. I'm so sad. So because I purchased it in 2017, my warranty was out. It's only a 2-year warranty, and it's $399. So now I'm thinking, do I get another Dyson or do I experiment with some really, really great products? So this One Step has over 250,000 reviews and it has 4.5 stars. So when I was thinking about having to purchase a new blow dryer, I started looking around. And so I couldn't help myself. So I got this one from Costco. And the reason I even went over there is because we got the Costco coupon book and there it was, which I had already been looking at it on Amazon. $60. Ulta, $60. Then I get the coupon book from Costco and it's $34.99. That was my decision right there. I was like, I don't even care if I still get the Dyson, because obviously the Dyson is not this type of product. $34, like how could I not try it? So here I am, I have it. Then I get home and I find out it's not even the one I'm looking at on Amazon. So the similarities, they look almost exactly alike, okay? They have 3 speeds. Where is it? Right here. 3 speeds on the control, which is down here. You just go like that, okay? And that's very similar. They're both 1100 watt and they both have ionic technology. Okay, so that helps with like the frizz in your hair. Now, the differences, which I was actually excited to find out, this is a 2.4 inch barrel. So when you look this way, I think that's how, because it's an oval, that's how they're gonna measure it. The original is a 4.2 inch barrel, much, much larger, okay? I did not know that, but this size is perfect for my hair. I have layers and I appreciate the smaller barrel, even though I didn't know the other one was so large, okay? Secondly, the original is ceramic, so this part here is black. It's a ceramic barrel, where the new one, titanium, it is plated with titanium beryl, meaning it heats up quicker and is going to dry your hair faster. Another plus in my book. I love the size that it's smaller, and I love the titanium plate. Thirdly, the bristles are all coated with activated charcoal, meaning, and I already did this, but I didn't even know it until I started researching it the next day. So I don't wash my hair every day. You can actually touch up your hair, and the activated charcoal is going to absorb the oils as your hair gets dirty, it gets oilier. It actually absorbs the oils, which is amazing. So it's a great touch-up piece as well if you want to just refresh your hair the second day or even the third day, depending on how you blow dry your hair. So those are the main differences. $34.99 I think is amazing. I know that I did see the original at Ulta and Amazon. That's where I've seen them. Walmart and Costco is the only place I've seen this one so far. So, you would have to check it out. The difference is One Step Original to the Titanium Max. So I just wanted to talk about the similarities and the differences before I got into showing you how fabulous this works. I'm just excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one side on cameras for you to see. Ness is gonna maybe like throw some music in there so it's not so boring, but I wanna show you how it works. And then I'll do the other side so you're not sitting there watching me do my whole hair, okay? So what I do is I've just been letting my hair air dry. I would do that with a regular blow dryer too. I don't just get out of the shower and like start blow drying my hair. I always give it a little bit of air dry, and I think that's good for styling anyway. And then I still section off my hair, not a lot though. I'm just gonna section it off just about halfway down my head, and I'm gonna show you how this baby works. So pretty much it's like a little damp back here, just so I'm not wasting your time, but you can see it really will style your hair. I mean, I've actually not even been using my curling iron. I can get away with just doing a blow dryer, which I maybe did that a few times with my Dyson, but even though it smooths it out, I need that curling iron to give it that lift and that curl that I want. So that's another plus, that you have the brush. And I like this little piece. I use this to curl. So this is I love that they put this on here with a little bit of like room for you to grip it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side, and then I'll bring it down and show you how we style out the side, okay? So here's the side that I've just dried, and I wanted to wait and show you this top area. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry that while I'm on camera so you can see the lift that it gives and really how quick and easy it is. This is seriously a quick, it's dry, but I'm doing it quickly on the episode so you can kind of just see that you can get a style that you don't even have to curl with a hot iron, which is awesome. So there is one little thing that disturbs me. Now this is new for me. I've only had it maybe 3 weeks and I've used it obviously. And I love how it's styling my hair, but I will say like right here, it gets super hot and that concerns me. Now, I don't know if I mentioned already, this is a 4-year limited warranty. Better than Dyson even. So I don't know, I don't know how long it will last, but like here, this is pretty hot. I mean, I can touch it, obviously, but this area and this area gets pretty hot while you're blow drying. So time will tell with that. But I did want to mention that because that would be my honestly, the only negative that I've slightly experienced since I purchased it. So there you have it. Here's one side done. I am going to stop right here so I can finish my hair without you guys being bored watching me. And I have to get dinner on the table. So you guys have a wonderful rest of your week. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'm always here and willing to answer or research to give you an answer. Take care, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.